Behind every package on the shelf is a promise of safety, trust, and operational confidence. For years, Tetra Pak's aseptic tanks have carried that promise, supporting producers day after day. In modern food production, moments matter. Every changeover, every cleaning cycle, every second of uptime shapes your success. That's why Tetra Pak aseptic tanks are built to adapt with versatile steam barrier technologies that give you the freedom to clean when you need without compromising uptime. Intelligent valve sequencing, high-performance components, and advanced automation work in harmony, protecting product and keeping your line flowing. Our ISB Plus triple steam barrier leverages decades of aseptic mastery, a state-of-the-art design crafted to meet demanding FDA requirements and gives you full peace of mind. Proven tank body engineering, efficient cooling, smooth agitation, independent cleaning schedules between processing and packaging, and 10 years of guaranteed vacuum resistance together deliver the performance you need. Tetra Pak aseptic tanks, where safety, flexibility, and experience create excellence you can trust.